Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. So I am going to continue with the topic of fundamentals of the subject Structural Analysis 1, 4th semester Civil Engineering. Now in the previous video we have covered the kinematic indeterminacy of the beam section. Now in this video we are going to cover the kinematic indeterminacy of plane truss. Just a minute. See, okay. Now, so in case of plane frame, first of all, formula that stands for dk equals to twice j minus r, and dk none, that is dk minus m. Okay, so unknown parameters will be j, m and r. J means numbers of joint, m that is numbers of member displacement. Now this term will be new in case of the truss, and r numbers of reaction produces. So first of all, capital R, that is hinge support, so 2 plus 2, over here also 2, so ultimately capital R, that will be 2 plus 2 numbers of reaction produces. Then J, that means numbers of joint, so 1, 2 and this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so numbers of joint, that stands for 7. Okay, then now talking about pin joint, so over here, just a minute, these are our pin joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also included in case of numbers of joint. Okay, numbers of joint were 7. In those 7 joints, these 5 pin joints were also there. So J dash, numbers of pin joint, that is 5. And now M stands for numbers of member displacement, means each pin joint will produce 2 displacement, vertical, horizontal. See, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal and vertical, horizontal. So total 2 into 5. So we can say M will be numbers of member displacement, that is 2 times 5, this one. Okay, so ultimately answer is, we can say 10, that is M. Okay, over here also only 2 displacement produces at each pin. See, I have written the notation over here. So now let's solve the sum. Dk twice j minus r, twice j stands for 7, capital R, that is 4, so 14 minus 4, answer comes 10. Okay, next dk none, that is dk minus m, that is we can say dk, that is 10, minus m, that is also 10, so 10 minus 10, answer comes 0. Okay, next moving forward, next example, that is this one. Now in this one, first of all, support, say at each joint hinge support is there, so at each joint 2 reactions will be there, vertical as well as horizontal, like this. So ultimately capital R, numbers of reaction produces, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so total 8. Then J, numbers of joint, so numbers of joint will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so numbers of joint will be 8. Then accept the support, the numbers of pin joint are there. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4, so numbers of pin joint are just joints which are not provided at support, so remaining one will be at support, that is this one, this one, this one and this one. So total numbers of joint will be 8. Out of them, 4 which are not at the support are considered as numbers of pin joint. Okay, so you have got the concept regarding that one. M, numbers of member displacement. Okay, so in case of numbers of member displacement, that is we can say, just a minute, at each pin joint 2 displacements are there, so we can say 2 into 4, so that is 8. Okay, then just a minute guys. Now so dk equals to twice j minus r, j stands for, that is joint, that is 8, minus capital R, that is 8, so ultimately answer will be 16 minus 8, answer comes 8. And dk none, this 8 means this 8, this displacement, then dk none equals to dk minus m, m is we can say 8, 8 minus 8, answer comes 0. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now moving forward, next example, that is this one. See, dk none will always be 0, that's a cross check for you. Okay, now example number 17. Now just a minute. Now over here hinge support is there, so numbers of reaction will be 2, so 2 into 2, so total numbers of reaction that is 4. J, numbers of joint 1 2 3 4, and out of this these two are the pin joint, that is J dash. Okay, so at each pin joint 2 displacements are there, 2 plus 2, so total we can say M, that is numbers of member displacement, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. So we have got all the unknowns. Dk twice J minus R, J stands for 4, 2 times 4 minus 4, answer comes 8 minus 4, so that is 4. These are the displacement, that's the 4. And dk none, that is dk minus M, dk is 4, M is 4, I will get the answer 0. So that's our cross check. Example number 18. Now, in this one, in support, so 2 reactions will be there. So ultimately 2 plus 2, and over here one roller support is there. Now this is different compared to all the previous example. In this one roller support is there, so one reaction will be there. So ultimately capital R, that is 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5. Okay, now talking about J joint, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, total numbers of joints are 6, and out of this one numbers of pin joint, as we already discussed, except the support, 1 2 3, these three are the pin joint which are not at the support. Then over here in this case a roller support is there. Okay, roller support will produce only one reaction, that is vertical. But what about the horizontal? So whenever the roller support is there, one pin joint will always be there over here also, means one displacement will be produced. It's not pin, one displacement, that is horizontal displacement will be produced. So these three reactions will produce is two reactions, vertical horizontal, vertical horizontal. And talking about this one, it will produce one, that is horizontal. So ultimately M equals to numbers of member displaced, that is 2 times 3. Okay, say 2 of each, these two, 2 2 and 2, that is 2 times 3. And over here of the roller support one reaction will be there, that is 1. So 6 plus 1, so M will be 7. Always remember this rule. And in all the previous examples we can see example number 17, or we can say 16, or we can say 15. In each of the above examples only hinge support was there. So in case of hinge support, vertical and horizontal reactions are produced, so there is no need of the horizontal displacement. But as in case of the roller support, only vertical reaction produces, so we need this horizontal displacement. Okay, so always remember that one. So say J numbers of joint 6, and J dash numbers of pin joint. Okay, that is numbers of pin joint will be 1 2 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay, that one is roller, I have shown over here. Now talking about dk, twice J minus R, J means 6 and R, that is 5. So twice J, that is 12 minus 5, answer is 7. 7 means 3 2 2 2 and 1, that is dk. Dk none, dk minus M, M is 7, so my answer is 0. Clear? Example number 19. Now hinge support, so vertical horizontal, roller support again vertical. Okay, so R, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, joint 1 2 3 4, numbers of joint 4. J dash pin joint, so these two are the pin joint, plus 1, this will be of roller support. So J dash, that is numbers of pin joint, that is 2 plus 1. So these two it will produces 2 vertical as well as horizontal, while this one will be produces only horizontal because it is a roller support. Okay, so M 2 times 2, that is this one, and over here 1 time 1 will be there. So ultimately answer will be 5. Clear? As we have get all the unknowns, that's all the sum. Twice J minus R joint, that is 4, so 2 times 4 minus R, that is 3. So our answer is, we can say 8 minus 3, that is 5. 2 2 and 1, so answer is 5. Dk none, that is dk minus M, dk is 5, M is 5, so answer is 0. Clear? Similarly, next example. Now roller hinge support 2 reactions, roller support 1 reaction, so ultimately R 2 plus 1, that is 3. Joint 1 2 3 4 5, 6. So total numbers of joint, that is equals to 6. Then J dash, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the points. And over here, just because of its roller supports of 1 pin will be there, so J dash will be 4 plus 1. Okay, this all 4 pin joints will produce 2 displacement, so 2 into 4 times, that is 8, plus this one horizontal displacement will be produces at the roller support. So M equals to 2 times 4, that is this one, this one, this one, this one, and 1 time horizontal, that is plus 1, that is 9. Clear? So as we have got all the unknowns, dk twice j minus r. J is 6, r is 3. 2 times 6 minus 3, so that is 12 minus 3, answer comes 9. This 9 are this 8 plus 1, 9, that is dk. Dk none, that should always be 0. Dk minus m, cross check the m, that will be 9. So our answer is 0. Okay, then example number 21. Same kind of sum, but hints about vertical horizontal roller, that is vertical, so capital R, that is 3. Then join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers of joints are 5. J dash, numbers of pin joint 1, 2, 3, and for roller support 1 will be there, so 3 plus 1. See, numbers of pin joint 3 plus 1. Reactions means displacement M, 2, 2, 2, that is 6, and for the roller 1, that is 6 plus 1, that is 7. See, M 2 times 3, that is 6, plus 1, that is 7. Okay, so that's all the sum. Dk twice j minus r, joint 5, 2 times 5 minus r, that is 3. So 10 minus 3, answer comes 7. This 7 will be 2, 2, 2, this one. And then dk, that should be 0. Dk minus m, m is 7, 7 minus 7, answer comes 0. Then next example, example number 22. Now these are the example which have been asked in the exam November 2015. See, hints about vertical horizontal, roller support vertical, so capital R, that is 3. Joint 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers of joint. Now except support, these are the numbers of pin joint. Okay, and over here 1, 2, these are our pin joint, and over here because of roller support 1 pin joint will be there. Over here 2 reaction, vertical, horizontal, and in case of the roller only horizontal, so 2 plus 2 plus 1, so m will be 2 times 2 plus 1, that is 5. Clear? So dk twice j minus r, joint 4, r is 3, 2 times 4 minus 3, 8 minus 3, answer comes 5. This 5 will be this one, over here this one, okay, and over here this one. Finally dk, that should be 0. Dk minus m, m is 5, so 5 minus 5, answer comes 0. Then next example number 23. Roller support vertical reaction, roller support, vertical reaction, hints about vertical and horizontal. So numbers of reaction produces 2 plus 1 plus 1. Joint 1, 2, 3, 4, that is numbers of joint. Okay, then numbers of pin joint, we can say 1 official, only 1, and these 2 are the of roller support. So over here vertical horizontal, over here horizontal, over here horizontal, so ultimately 4 will be there. M numbers of member displacement, see 2, 1, 1, that is 4. So dk twice j minus r, joint is 4, r is 4, 2 times 4 minus 4, so 8 minus 4, answer comes 4. Dk none equals to dk minus m, m is 4, so 4 minus 4, answer is 0. Okay, these 4 are the criteria. Over here vertical horizontal, over here horizontal, over here horizontal. Okay, then example number 24. Hints about vertical horizontal, roller support vertical, hints about vertical horizontal, so capital R is 5. numbers of reaction produces. Joint 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers of joint. Then numbers of pin joint 1, only 1, and over here roller support, so 1 plus 1. Okay, M numbers of displacement at pin support 2, and over here because of roller support 1, so 2 plus 1, that is M, that is 3. Okay, so dk twice J minus R, joint is 4 and R, that is 5. 8 minus 5, answer comes 3, that is dk. Dk none, dk minus M, dk is 3 minus M, that is 3, answer comes 0. Okay, these three criteria are over here vertical, horizontal, and over here horizontal. These three are the terms. Okay, then now in this one, hinge support vertical, horizontal, roller support vertical, so capital R, that is 3. Okay, joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so numbers of joint are 6, out of which pin joint are 1, 2, 3, 4, and over here because of roller support 1, so 4 plus 1. Clear? M numbers of displacement at each pin joint, 2 displacements are there, so total 8, and over of this one, that is 1, so 8 plus 1, 9. See, M numbers of member displacement, that is 8 plus 1, 9. Clear? So now answer dk twice J minus R, joint stands for 6, 2 times 6 minus R, that is 3, so 12 minus 3, answers 9. I have already shown you 9. Over here 2 vertical, horizontal, over here 2 vertical, horizontal, over here 2 vertical, horizontal, over here also 2 vertical, horizontal, and over here only 1, that is horizontal, so that is 9. Okay, then example number 26, hinge support vertical, horizontal, roller support vertical, hinge support vertical, horizontal, so value of capital R, 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5. Okay, joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so J means numbers of joint. ZS now, so except the fixer, except the support point, all are the pin joints, so these 7 are the pin joints. Okay, and this roller will also be pin joint, so 7 plus 1. See, and talking about M, at each joint 2 displacement are there, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, over here also vertical, horizontal, and of this roller only horizontal, so we can say over 7 regular parameters, over here this one also vertical, horizontal, so 7 into 2, 14, plus 1 of roller, that is 15, so M will be 15. Okay, so our dk will be 15, like that. Dk twice J minus R, joint 10, R is 5, 2 times 10 minus 5, 20 minus 5, answer is 15. Okay, and dk none, that should be 0, dk minus M, M is 15, so 15 minus 15, answer comes 0. Clear? And then the last one, that is this one. In this one, hinge support 1, 1, 1, 1, so capital R, that is 2. Okay, numbers of joint 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then J dash, except the support points 1, 2, 3, 4, that is J dash, and each will produce vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, so ultimately we can say M, that is 8. As you have got all the answer, dk twice J minus R, joint is 6, R is 4, 2 times 6 minus 4, 12 minus 4, answer is 8, and dk none, dk minus M, 8 minus M, that is 8, answer comes 0. Okay, so guys, these were the criteria regarding plane truss. Okay, we have solved all the examples of that one. Hope so you have got the concept. Myself, Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati, signing off.